I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and in today's RVing for Beginners video, I'm sharing overnight RV parking options. In the past 8 years living on the road, we've traveled back and forth across the country numerous times and had hundreds of overnight stops. The first option for overnight parking is Walmart. Many Walmarts actually allow RVers to park overnight and sleep in their parking lots. However, not every Walmart allows RVers, so you need to call ahead and ask the store manager for permission. Camping at Walmart is great because you can get groceries and anything else you might need while you're traveling, but the downside is that the parking lots are often really loud and bright, which can make getting a good night's sleep tough. There are many other stores that might offer overnight RV parking, including Cabela's, Bass Pro Shops, Home Depot, and Lowe's, but you need to ask a manager permission before parking in any business's parking lot. Casinos are another type of business that often offer free parking for RVers. And casinos usually have food and entertainment, so you get a free place to stay and a date night at the same time. Another popular overnight RV stop is Cracker Barrel. Many of their locations allow RVers to spend the night in the parking lot. If you're not familiar with Cracker Barrel, it's a national restaurant chain that is famous for their biscuits and Southern cooking. Their website actually shows which locations are RV friendly, so you can check there. At all stores and restaurants, there's an unwritten rule that campers should purchase something in exchange for their stay. But that's super easy to do at Cracker Barrel. You can just get dinner after a long day and order some biscuits to take with you on the road in the morning. One obvious option for overnight RV parking is campgrounds and RV parks. The vast majority of RV parks allow one-night stays, and there are many campgrounds along America's interstates. A few times a year, we choose to just pull into an RV park for the night. It can be expensive, but sometimes we just want all the amenities of full hookups, a dog park, and laundry. One option for affordable overnight campgrounds are city and town campgrounds. Many towns, especially in the Midwest, have free or affordable campsites in their city parks. So this is a city park that we recently overnighted at for free in Nebraska. You can also look for state parks along your route. State parks often have at least partial hookups and are usually more affordable than private parks. If we're going to stop in the afternoon, I love stopping at a state park so we can hike or go for a swim and just move our bodies after several hours in the truck. Last, but definitely not least, is Harvest Host and Boondockers Welcome. These RV memberships, which are owned by the same company so they can be purchased as one membership, allow you to stay overnight at breweries, wineries, farms, attractions, and even people's houses. While many of the Harvest Host locations are close to the interstate and highways, they're typically going to be much more scenic than a store parking lot or an interstate campground. We even stayed at an alpaca farm recently, and that might be my favorite overnight stay yet. So, how do we find all these overnight stops on our route? Again, I prefer to stay at Harvest Host or Boondockers Welcome, so I start in their app and check for pet-friendly accommodations along our route. If there aren't any good Harvest Host options, then I head over to the All Stays RV and Camping app. This app has Walmarts, Cracker Barrels, campgrounds, and every other overnight option along our route. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!